Sambhota Dictionary Search holds a vast vocabulary from a collection of Tibetan dictionaries, Tibetan-Chinese dictionaries, Chinese dictionaries, English-Tibetan dictionaries, and Chinese-Buddhist dictionaries. In particular, we have established a repository of classical dictionary entries. This tool makes a great contribution to the preservation of language and culture in the future. Users can conduct quick and efficient searches to find information on desired dictionary terms such as explanation, category, and pronunciation. Explanation on functions. 1. Language settings. Users can select the language of their choice in the top right-hand corner of the display. 4 language choices are available: English, Traditional Chinese, Simplified Chinese, and Tibetan. Two, select dictionary. The website currently makes available 18 dictionaries, with our collection continuously expanding and updating. The database includes Tibetan dictionaries, Tibetan-Chinese dictionaries, Chinese-Tibetan dictionaries, English-Tibetan dictionaries, and Chinese-Buddhist dictionaries. Three, search. The website contains a search function where users can enter keywords to assist in finding desired terms. For example, if we want to search for Sangye, then we enter Sang in the search field and the search suggestions will appear showing related terms of Sang. We can select Sangye from the options that appear, and then the system will search for information relating to this term. Search results. The search function searches for terms that are the main dictionary terms and also related terms of those main dictionary terms. These search results are displayed separately. For example, when we search for Sangye, the search results that will be displayed include the number of entries containing Sangye as the main dictionary term on the left-hand side and the number of entries with the related term of Sangye on the right-hand side. All the related search terms will be displayed in the two lists of the main dictionary term and related term of the main dictionary term. We can select an entry of choice and then read the related explanation and listen to the pronunciation of the term.
Sangye.
4. Categorization of dictionary terms. In order to diversify ways in which users can use to find dictionary terms, we have categorized the dictionary terms in the database according to meaning.
Kesan Trebi Ngulam.
5. Alphabetical order. Users can also look up words via alphabetical order. Terms in the database are ordered in alphabetical order of the Tibetan language, English language, Traditional Chinese language, and Simplified Chinese language respectively. Tibetan terms can be found through the 30 letters of the Tibetan alphabet. English terms can be found through the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Traditional Chinese terms can be found through the Berkeley-Murphy system. Simplified Chinese terms can be found through the 26-letter pinyin system. We welcome any feedback on errors or suggestions relating to the website. Please click on the feedback button on the bottom right-hand side of the display and enter your feedback for us in the free text box. In the future, Sambhota Dictionary Search will be linked to a dasha so that users will be able to look up explanations and translations to words in Buddhist texts.